You gotta hold your hand out, Andrew. Okay. Oh, Mark, get set, go.
Ah! Did you see the bird take it?
Go hold it high.
I'm gonna keep you holding you. But can we have the chicken for dinner?
No.
Great big smile on his face. You still videoing?
I'm still videoing.
Oh, he's not done. He's not done. Go. Go. Mommy, go.
Ow, why are you pulling from the front?
Over here.
Boy, get her.
You're in the car and everything. Woody, get the damn thing out! Woody, put the this up.
She laid an egg.
Hmm?
Oh my gosh, she laid an egg.
Where?
She laid an egg right there. She laid an egg, I'm not lying. Oh my gosh.
What do we do?
I don't know, she actually laid an egg, I'm not lying.
Where?
It's right there.
Here we go, Jake. Here we go.
What are you doing?
What's your nickname? What's your nickname? Yeah. Can we kiss? Oh, squeaky kiss.
Go get it, Rossi!
Come on.
Come on.
Hey, I'm intimidated.
Hey, cow.
I'm intimidated.
Let go.
Mom, stop. Mom, before we drive up.
Stop following me.
Bye. Mom, look at the deer.
Could you give that back to us? You got it all. Hey, bird. Bird, excuse me. Littering, really?
Happy birthday, Lisa.
We wish you health, wealth, and happiness. Welcome to
Happy birthday to you. Happy COVID birthday to you. Happy COVID birthday, Bjorn. Happy birthday to you. Surprise!
And knitting mower.
Oh, and Nene more.
And knitting mower.
Ready, sit.
He's watching you.
You didn't get too based on you.
got a bunch of zebras and a herd of zebras.
Uh-oh. Just put that out. You know what's That's a pretty zebra. It's okay if you come around the glass, you can come forward a little bit here. I want you to come in a little bit more. No.
Oh. They're fighting. Oh god.
Oh yeah.
That's cool. Go get it.
Good job, Tug. Go, go, go. Oh.
He wants food. He sees your snacks. It's okay, but nothing is going to happen.
Oh, he's laying down.
You missed it, buddy. His paws were on the back.
Listen to AFV.
Do not feed him, Nathaniel.
Oh, yeah, I think Nathaniel's scared.
Hi, baby.
I'm not scared.
Help us.
All right, so who wants it now? It's covered in sand. Nobody, right? That one.
What's his name?
Hold on, Huck.
Oh, yeah? What?
Don't sit there. Huck's like, save the popsicle at all costs. Huck, come over by mom.
So I bet he likes your slushie.
Yeah, you might get my sausage.